Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my walking robot Mirft2 based on the TXT controller from fischertechnik. And it's been about half a year since I last made a video on this robot. Not even an after convention robot. Not there is nothing wrong, but it just didn't happen. And the previous video was on my mobile robot the Discovery, and I noticed that despite nothing in the code has changed, color recognition, color separation didn't work out anymore. So that's one thing I need to test. Then also you notice that it's fully loaded with 2 battery packs, which I usually don't do. And that's something else I want to test, because normally I do everything without the battery packs, just straight on the AC adapter. However, with the last test on the Discovery, I noticed that the battery packs gave in very quickly. So I want to test that here as well. And then of course the walking, which hardly ever goes the way intended. Intended is just a straight line, and it has always deviation to the left. So enough introduction, let's switch to screencast to show everything. With the screencast, and I assume you're familiar with the screencast by now. Top left is the code, top right is the execution, in the middle is Robot Pro for testing the interface, and bottom right is the terminal on the computer to view any images taken by this camera. Then fully charged the battery, removing and plugging the batteries in. The last one, the other one already did. Then it's time to check everything. And well, there is no sonar on it. So how to check everything? Actually, the measurement I can't do right now, I think. It's been a while. But apart from that, code says everything. And execution as well. So let's just start. And see how things run. Well, that's a good start anyway. Let's take red. And it rattles and rattles, and it has already a deviation. Oh, and there goes a lag. Alright, that's no good. That is certainly no good. And here some change or fix. And again, with the battery packs, it's fully loaded. I don't even dare to disconnect the AC from that point. Let me disconnect it from the other side. For now, it keeps running, so the batteries are what it should do. Let's go on, and now I expect the power to be not that great, and it will fail, causing me to reconnect. Network error. Obviously, that is something that never fails. And then, what? And it is off. Yeah, okay. So, which means I have to reconnect the AC, or AC adapter anyway. Power on. And something what I didn't do for the other robot, check the voltages on the battery packs, because those make me curious. Thank you for watching. As you can see in the full version of the video, unexpected things can happen. And whatever the reason, whatever the cause, you always hope that you can solve it. Sometimes it takes some time. Some things mechanically are easier. Software may not be that easy. In that way, I hope it can be continued with another video. And anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. Thank you to my supporters listed on my website. Very much appreciated. And this is going to be continued. So if you are not a supporter yet, please consider to become a patron or become a member via Ko-fi, or support me via PayPal, or buy me a coffee via ko-fi.com. Much appreciated. This is going to be continued anyway. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.